Hello and welcome. You're watching Don Bosco Media Network. This is Mona Lisa Rumbai, bringing to you the news and events from Meghalaya. Here are the headlines for today. St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School hosts 93rd Inter-School Sports Meet. Blood donation drive and voter education program held in Mairang East and West Khasi Hills district. And football matches bring thrills and unity in East and West Khasi Hills district. And now the news in detail. On April 12th, St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School Shillong orchestrated a vibrant one-day 93rd Inter-School Sports Meet at the Don Bosco Mini Stadium, Lajumkra. 20 schools from Shillong participated in the event, fostering a spirit of healthy competition and camaraderie. The event commenced with the hoisting of the flag by Dr. D. Vijay Kumar, IAS Commissioner and Secretary, Chief Minister's Office, who was warmly welcomed by Reverend Father John Zosiama, Vice Provincial, Reverend Father Anthony Kharkongor, Principal, and Father Raphael Tham, Principal of St. Anthony's LP School. Dr. D. Vijay Kumar commended the school and its principal for organizing such an impactful event, emphasizing the importance of sports in nurturing talents and fostering holistic development. He encouraged students to actively engage in sports, aiming for continuous growth and excellence. The evening marked the closing ceremony presided over by Swapnil Tembe, IAS Director of School Education and Literacy, who lowered the school flag and distributed medals to all the deserving winners, culminating the event on a high note.
Importantly, our young friends who are here. Very good morning to everyone. At the very outset, I would like to express my immense pleasure in taking part in today's annual sports meet and inter-school invitation events. And I'd like to, as I enter, I could see a lot of vibrancy in this entire event, which gives us a lot of energy and excitement. For this, I would like to thank for the principal for accepting me as a chief guest of this program, and for all of you, for your warm and generous welcome. And for this, I am truly warm. As this is my first visit to the school, I am very happy that I came here, and I wish that our association would continue in the coming days as well. There is a lot of effort and energy has been put into this event, and this is visible in each and every step of this event. And as I also understand that you have a long and hectic day ahead, I won't take much time, but I would like to wish all of you very best, particularly all the participating students in this event. Your participation itself is a remarkable achievement. As you come together, as this platform will give you an opportunity to exchange and share ideas, it also helps all of us. It reminds me of our school days, which helps us to shy away from our inhibition.
You People's Past people, the goal goes to Albert Renja.
On April 12, the Office of the Election Mairang East and West Khasi Hills District organized a blood donation program in Mairang to emphasize the importance of not forgetting the sick, especially those in need of blood amidst the ongoing election fever. The initiative, a collaboration between Tirat Singh Memorial Civil Hospital Mairang and the Regional Bank Pasteur Institute Shillong, aimed to raise awareness about systematic voter education and electoral participation ahead of the MP election scheduled for April 19, 2024. Gideon Kharmauplang, the Deputy Commissioner of Mairang, graced the event as the chief guest, expressing gratitude to all the attendees. Notable figures present included Dr. Timothy Lingdor, Medical Superintendent of Civil Hospital Mairang, W. Masar, BDO of Mauthat Raishan Block, as well as doctors, nurses and other community members. The event served as a reminder of civic responsibility and compassion during election session.
Sesian makin bos biasa jika di hospital yang terjadi maka awalnya mesti berjalan untuk terjadi maka manajemen di hospital berintenta every day this hospital keeps on changing for the better. Congratulations Doctor Salam, you have been very done here in the district. The Syrian women who fight.
On April 12, the Office of the Deputy Commissioner East and West Khasi Hills District, in collaboration with the District Sports Office and the Kinshi Pilun Sports Association, organized exhilarating football matches in two categories, boys and girls. In the girls category, the Young Sports Club faced off against the Pan Nonglat Sports Club at the Kinshi Pilun ground. The game witnessed intense action, with the Young Sports Club emerging victorious with 4 goals while Pan Nonglat failed to score. Meanwhile, in the boys category, the United Socio-Cultural Club clashed against the Mau Phan Sports Club. After an intense match, the United Sports Club secured a win with 6 goals, leaving Mau Phan Sports Club scoreless. Despite the competitive nature of the matches, the primary aim was to foster joy and unity among the youth. Similarly, the upcoming MP Lok Sabha election may result in winners and losers, but the focus remains on continuing the work for the betterment of society beyond political differences.
Kini asli jela kan tasni away gelong ka maju ki kithe ulang ya mata kawan soal sejum di kita sedang kau pergi pulang ke ni kenapa kalian kau pergi jangan di Euro tua berpulang kini program pulang ba dikira dia awareness ang kajian kam bagi jami penjalan bangsa penjalan ketinggi dia Amta menghadiri ke election nasional bersawal. Kini di pulang ini gigi tasgi lepas tasgi program. Lalu ada election commission yang dari India, nak office jo CEO nanti lepas Shillong. Berkali-kali ni aku amal lagi district di program apa. Ini nak kalian ke office general di UAM ni pemerintah. Menang lalu kepada district mentang ini proses dengan football. Ada mengiru akan serta awal competition nanti apa jong atau ayong. Tunangan ski program ini dia bermandu yang nak tepat. Nanti sang ini kita Samla, kita pikai, kita bantu dengan Peit. Di belakang ni roboting right. Belakang ada efek. Di belakang ni ini dia identikat bila menilai Khubor. So hai ini kerja asli di Khubor. Nama kajing dan kam jong kajing Khubor. Kadai berisik mentah, kadai berjikit dia kerja yang senang. Kapilijit di dalam nikmat, tentang di dalam nikmat iba kopi di dalam tanyung buat, buat aku gambar soal juti, buat.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.